Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my super easy Tex-Mex shredded beef enchiladas. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. To our pressure cooker, we're going to add 2 pounds of chuck pot roast cut into small pieces, along with 2 to 3 chile chipotles in adobo sauce, 5 garlic cloves, 1 small onion, 1 cup of crushed tomatoes. For our spices, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ancho powder, oregano, salt to taste. I'm using 2.5 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, cocoa powder, and cinnamon. Add 4 cups of water, cover it, and now we're going to pressure cook on high for 40 minutes. Okay, once our meat is done cooking, we're going to release all of the steam, and once done, open it. And let me tell you that it smells delicious already. Now we're just going to remove our meat from the broth. Okay, now along with that, we're also going to be straining our broth. So just be very careful. Once we have separated our beef from our broth, now we're just going to begin to shred our meat. And it should be very easy. Okay, so once we have our meat all nice and shredded, set it to the side so we can make our sauce. Now returning back to our pressure cooker on the saute setting, skim the top of the broth and you should get all of this oil. Transfer it to the pressure cooker. And to that we're going to add a 1/2 cup of maseca and just whisk it in there. It's going to begin to smell like corn. Okay, so once we have that, slowly pour the broth and whisk as you're pouring. And just do it little by little so like that the maseca can dissolve. Okay, now just keep whisking it and allow it to come to a simmer, and this will thicken up the sauce. So you should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. Our sauce by now should have thickened up, so we have it ready. So now we can ready to put our enchiladas together. Okay, on my pan over medium heat with a little bit of oil, I'm going to lightly fry my tortillas. So this should take about 10 seconds. So just like that. Just repeat the process with all of your tortillas. Okay, so once we have our tortillas, we can get ready to roll our enchiladas. Okay, now to put my enchiladas together, I'm going to begin by grabbing the tortilla, adding the shredded beef, and because I love onions, I'm also going to be adding some of it, as well with our medium cheddar cheese, and just roll it. Oops, and the tortilla cracked. I'm going to place it in my plate, and just repeat the process. Okay, so now we can grab our sauce, pour it over our enchiladas. Okay, and just top it with some medium cheddar cheese. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. You can do it all in one pot and it's honestly super delicious. Now of course I like to serve it with a side of refried beans and rice. But I am so ready. I love enchiladas, any type of enchiladas. They're just my weakness. But hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Let me tell you, that is so good. The sauce and the meat, perfect combination. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home with my super easy and delicious Tex-Mex shredded beef enchiladas. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.